Try it, paint it, love it.
You've worked hard, and it's almost time to relax in this amazing new space you've created. Refreshing a room is easy with a new coat of paint, but you can also make big changes with little details. Find new throw pillows, blankets, or even curtains and new colors and patterns to make a color change look even better. Or you can go bigger with furniture, carpeting, or lighting. Even rearranging furniture can give an old room a new look. If you're working on a bathroom or kitchen, try new cabinet hardware or buy new towels or linens to help freshen the entire vibe. The point is to play and have fun. You can get big results on a budget and make your space look amazing, fresh, and new. Once you're happy with your completed project, snap a photo and share it on social media using the hashtag SWColorLove for a chance to be featured on Sherwin-Williams social media channels. We're excited for you to enjoy the best part of the painting process, creating new memories in your beautiful space.